Hi, I'm Ruth Power, and as part of my role as Chief Executive of Shelter Cymru, I really enjoy being part of the team that delivers our People and Homes conference. The conference takes place on October the 22nd in Cardiff this year, and we'll be hearing from politicians, policy experts, and people impacted by the housing emergency on the day, and I'll be setting the scene. We know there's a housing emergency in Wales. We've got nearly 11,000 people trapped in temporary accommodation, 170,000 people on lists waiting for a social home, and increasingly unaffordable rents. Behind those stats are people with their own diverse stories of how the housing emergency impacts their health and well-being and impacts their ability to just get on with their lives. We hear these stories daily at Shelter Cymru. Last year we helped more than 21,000 people who were facing homelessness or were in unsuitable or unaffordable homes. But we know we can end the housing emergency. Our conference will bring together people and organisations to identify what would it take for us all to be able to rely upon a safe and secure home. Tickets are on sale now. You can head to our Shelter Cymru website to register, and I'm pleased that we can also offer some support to those that would be otherwise unable to attend. We want the day to be accessible and informed by people's diverse experiences and real life experiences of the housing emergency in Wales. If solving the housing emergency in Wales is important to you, we'd love to see you on October the 22nd at People and Homes.